Right, everyone, welcome back for another spicy workout. This is going to be a 20-minute AMRAP. I found this workout on Mark's page, Finlay Fitness. This is exactly what the page looks like. Give it a follow. This is a 20-minute AMRAP, so 10 calories on the assault bike behind me, 5 pull-ups or chin-ups. We're going to alternate these, and then 15 air squats. It's as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. It's going to be short, it's going to be fast, it's going to be brutal. I saw him give this workout to Kano, you know Kano, and again it looked pretty spicy, so I thought I'll give it a go and see how we get on. So wish me luck, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Don't forget, subscribe to this page, like it, and keep following me for some more routines. See you guys on the other side. Let me get on with it before it gets dark. Let's go. And a half rounds. So I was averaging about 140 to begin with on the rounds, but of course as time went on, I think my slowest round was probably about 2 minutes. Don't do this workout after you've had leg day with Richard Wilson. I think I did my 1 rep max yesterday and I'm paying the price, but all in all, very good workout. Like I said, shout out to Mark for this workout. Follow his page, see if you can beat this score that I just scored. It's up on the screen. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the other side.